I have absolutely been loving and eyeing these mirrored columns as the one seen here in this creation, this beautiful creation designed by Sax Production on Instagram. I've been like so in love with them, but I could never find them at a rate that was affordable for me to create that luxurious look for less for my clients. And then when I saw this one by ME Weddings, I knew that I needed the different columns with varying heights. And I just wanted to be able to do that luxurious for less look. And you guys, I finally found it, and I'm going to share it with you today.
Hi everyone, it's Melanie, and today I want to share with you some of my top favorite products from efavormart.com. So without any further ado, let's hop right in.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the
So let's get started with this beautiful sheer and bling backdrop. I absolutely love the sheer overlay. It kind of understates the bling that creates more of a dreamy look. I absolutely love the layering that is done on this, but when you lift it up, you get to see all of the gorgeous and amazing bling that is behind it. It is so absolutely gorgeous that you can just simply put this up on a backdrop, pipe and drape, and it does not need anything to accompany it. But I would absolutely love to see these brand new mirror columns that are now being offered at efavormart.com. They are absolutely gorgeous. I've been seeing them for a few years on like big celebrity styled events, and when I checked out the price of them, they were definitely not affordable. But I love these from eFavorMart for several reasons. Number one, I love the fact that they are collapsible. For many of us that are event designers and, doing things for events in our communities or churches or whatever it is, a lot of us may be kind of scrapped for space, especially for those of you who live in cities that, spaces are just not readily available. So I love the fact that these are collapsible. And once you put them all together, you can actually bend them back and slide them under the bed or behind a sofa or in between a space on the wall. I mean, they only take up maybe an inch of space width-wise, and I'm telling you guys, it is so absolutely fabulous. And on top of that, they are very durable. Now, I have yet to test how much weight it can actually hold, but I did put a vase with water and a faux flower on top, and it was absolutely fine.
getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So now that the columns are all put together. Very, very simple to do, as you guys can see. No tools were needed. It's very lightweight, but it's very sturdy. I just used some zip ties to connect all of the pieces together. I also wanted to go ahead and just kind of style them for you guys. I use the reversible trumpet vases. I absolutely love them, and I just put some faux floral centerpieces on the top. I think it looks absolutely amazing, and they will also look amazing, you know, styled with desserts and, you know, candies and treats and things of that nature.
Moving to the beat, paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you, to the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah, dance, yeah, baby. Dance, dance, dance.
So there you have it, some super easy, affordable, beautiful acrylic mirror columns. The possibilities for using these are absolutely limitless, so be sure to check them out on eFavorMart.
Just keep on moving to the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So before you leave, if you are new here, I would absolutely love for you to smash that subscribe button. I have so much more fun content coming your way. I know that fall, you know, is kind of a thing of the past here on YouTube, but I do want to share some fall moments with you guys, along with some weddings that I've done this fall that turned out absolutely beautiful. I'm telling you guys, this wedding was like a fairy tale, and a lot of the footage of the step-by-step I will be releasing in Lux Academy online. So the virtual experience is recorded from start to finish, and it's almost going to be as close to possible as you guys attending Lux Academy in person. So be on the lookout for that. It's going to be released the week of Black Friday, so be sure to join my mailing list at melanieturner.design. My niece also turned 16, and we did an intimate sweet 16th birthday party in their home. So I'm going to take you guys to my brother's house in Georgia and kind of share an intimate family moment with you guys, and let you meet that side of my family. It was so much fun. And of course, with COVID, we had a lot of weddings that were put off to the fall so that they could be, you know, outdoors or partially outdoors, and this wedding turned out absolutely epic. Every holiday, my family and I, we always take family photos, and so I hope to be sharing this year's photos with you guys. This one is from last year. We wore all white, super duper cute, and so I'm not sure what we're going to be doing this year. My husband is more of like the creative director for that, so I'm excited about that as well, and I will be sure to keep you guys tuned and hopefully bring you guys along. So yeah, those are the guys. They look super duper handsome, and of course my husband's on the right, and his dad and brother are the other two guys that are pictured. And as you guys can see, like, my husband looks exactly like his father. I also want to bring to you guys some kind of date night content for, you know, when you're home. I did a quick little picnic on our patio, and we played a really cool relationship game. And the little black cards that you see there, they asked some really tough relationship questions, but we loved it. My husband was like, okay, this is going to start a fight. No, it was really good. It was really good. And finally, I'll be bringing to you guys some new Christmas content. I cannot wait. We've already chosen our Christmas color palette for this year. I can't wait to reveal it to you guys. So again, smash that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on anything. And I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye-bye.